my YouTube family, I'm back with another video. Hey my YouTube family, I'm back with another video. So we on a road trip going to Atlanta. Yeah, I always wanted to visit Atlanta because God keep giving me signs to go there. I don't know like what it is. It's my business of what's there for me, but I know God just want me to be there. So I'm taking this time out on my birthday to actually visit. But my birthday is Wednesday, y'all. But we finna turn early. So y'all already know I don't have Babyk either. So y'all know I'm finna turn up, honey. But my hair is not finished. But I will finish when I get to Atlanta. Y'all know I do other people's hair too. So I had to get them, make the money first. Then I'll finish mine when I get to Atlanta. But I got started on it. Just got to pluck a little bit more and do a little bit more. You know. But we will, I'm finna run out these people road. But yeah. But anyways, this nigga looking at me crazy. But anyways, I'll let y'all know when I get there. Y'all can't get in trouble driving by. Yeah, so I finally made it to Atlanta.